Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe. Nice to see ya. To see you nice. Today I'm serving up real Lord Farquaad realness, but I also wanted to do like a little get ready with me. Now I know that normally my get ready with me are reserved for my shorts, but I thought, hell, let me bring it to the big screen. Let me bring it to the people dens. Do you know what I'm saying? So I think I know what I'm wearing today. I think. So it's giving neutral realness. And to be honest, okay, this band is here because y'all don't want to see this lace. Let me just tell you, it's not what lace, it's that lace right there. Okay. So this is the outfit, right? So we got our little knit dress underneath, a little trench coat, the brown bag. We also have a pair of brown boots. And you might be asking, Zoe, are you really wearing that headband? Yes, I am. With this outfit, yes, I am. And then I'm gonna top it off with a pair of glasses because I believe I might be needing my eyesight today. So let me just get the outfit on and then we'll walk through how we're feeling, how we're thinking, what we're thinking, and if we feel like this is the right choice for today. We've got the brown trench, we've got the brown baggy, we've got the semi-brown dress, like the brownish like speckled dress, and the brown boots. And I topped it all off with with some rings, some gold accessories, because what is an outfit without gold accessories? I still have one more like part of my outfit that I just wanted to add on. If you don't happen to be knowing, the days are the day that you learn. I can't see. Basically what that means is I can't really see you if you were to come to me and be like, I want to say like 6 feet away. I won't be able to see your face fully. And today's one of them days that I want to. And on top of that, I might be just like being a little bit behind the wheel. Who knows? Okay, so I'm going to put you onto my glasses, all right? Like I said, I can't see, but I'm going to put you onto some glasses. I'm going to put you onto some tea because I feel like everybody needs to know this. As a glasses wearer, you know that the process and the actual being a glasses wearer can be so expensive. Like, I'm not even going to tell you how much I spent on my last pair of glasses because it still makes me sick to this day. But I love them down, but I love these down even more. Why? Because it's affordable, it's stylish, and there's always something in it for you guys. Ow! These are my glasses. The style I'm currently wearing is Grace 2021. I have always had reservations about buying glasses online just because I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna look. However, this process was super easy, super straightforward. So you just go online, you find the style that you like, and you type in all of the information about your glasses or prescription if you want prescription glasses, which I have. This information is very accessible. You should be able to get it from your optometrist or from your optician. They should be able to provide that information. It should not be secret. It should not be ironclad. It should be accessible to you because it's your what? It's your eyes. Yes. So if you're in the market for a new pair of glasses, sunglasses, prescription sunglasses. Bear in mind, not all of these have to be prescription. You can just get blue light. You can just get regular sunglasses, or you can opt for prescription glasses or prescription sunglasses. It's all up to you. Now, I have a code. Like I said, there's something in it for y'all. I have a code. It's going to be right here on the screen. And I also have it in the description box along with a link. And this will give you 50% off. This is 50% off on top of these glasses. Oh, I forgot to mention, these glasses were less than $40. So you do the math, $40, 50% off, you're paying about $20 for prescription glasses, which is unheard of. Like, honestly, in comparison to how much I paid for my other pair of glasses, I want to throw up. But that's by the by, it happened already. Now we know better, so we're gonna do better, okay? So all you gotta do, click the link in the description or use my code for 50% off of your next pair of glasses. Like I said, it does not have to be prescription. It can be just regular, you know, glasses, you know, because you want to stand on them. How about that? You just want to try out a new style. How about that? You know, you just want to be able to, how about that? And you can for like $20. Do you know what I'm saying? Or if you so choose, sunglasses. Some people are going on holiday. My boyfriend's going on holiday. Maybe I should get him told to get some glasses from him because he's going to be in the sun. I did. Let me know what you think of these glasses down below. Let's conversate, okay? How much did you spend on your last pair of glasses, if you don't mind me asking? I won't tell you how much I spent, but I'm definitely curious to know how much you spent. So let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.